Hi, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the use of multi-window swipe for pop-up view on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now, before you can use this feature, you need to first switch it on. To do so, first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Advanced Features. Next, tap on Multi-Window. Then tap on Swipe for pop-up view. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. And then after that, you can tap on the left-hand side panel. In here, go down to the bottom where it says top corner area. And from here, you can change the top corner area to the left to make it smaller. And if you drag it to the right, we will make the top corner area larger, which make it easier for you to open up the pop-up view window. So to do so, first you open up the app that you want to use. So let's say you are now in Chrome, and in the Chrome app, you can swipe down like this, and this will allow you to open up a pop-up window. So that is one pop-up window. So here I've got, let's just go to another app store. So here I can swipe down at the top corner. So I can do it from this corner as well. And this will allow me to open up another pop-up window. So I can switch between the two open pop-up windows. So that is how you can use the pop-up window. So here, if you want to expand your pop-up window into a full screen, you can tap on that. Then tap on the expand button, and this will open up your pop-up window. Again, we go and expand it, and I swipe down to open up the pop window. I can close it by tapping on that collapse button. I can then use the split window. So here I can tap on the split windows, and that can turn into a split window. And from here I can then just close it, and then tap on the home button to close everything. And that is how you can use the pop-up windows. So here, swipe for pop-up view. So we swipe either on the top corner, on the top right, or the top left to open up your pop-up window. And from the pop-up window, you can also tap on the close button to quickly close that window. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.